In today's video, I will show you 5 deadly mistakes many farmers make during the rainy season and how to avoid them. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate your love and your support. So I'm here today with mistake number 1 is letting the chicken house get wet. A leaking or poorly drained poultry house. Once water enters the coop, diseases like coccidiosis spread so fast. Chicken needs dry, warm beddings. Now, how to fix this mistake number 1 is to use dry wood shavings. Make sure rainwater drains away from the pen. And mistake number 2 is not keeping chicken warm. You need to keep your chicken warm. Chickens don't like cold. Low temperatures weakens their immunity. That is why many chickens die or stop laying eggs during the rainy season. So all you need to do to fix this is to block cold wind. Use heat lamps or thick bedding like dry wood shavings to keep them warm all the time during the rainy season. Sometimes cold used to prevent them from eating well. They will not be able to drink water when the weather is too cold for them. And now, please, if you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and join the great family as we continue to bring farming tips on this channel. So, mistake number 3 is poor hygiene and dirty environment. Poor hygiene and dirty environment. Rains brings mud, poop, and diseases together. This is a breeding ground for parasites, bacteria, and respiratory problems. So how are you going to fix this as a farmer? All you need to do is to clean your coop more often in rainy season. Use dry ash to control moisture and smell. And one thing about ash, you can get ash. You don't need to go and spend money to get ash. All what you need to do is to look for firewood, and then you burn your firewood, and then from that firewood you'll be able to get your ash. What you need to do is to sprinkle ash in the poultry house, so it will be able to get rid of bacteria, to be able to get rid of smell. And if you will not be able to get dry ash, you'll be able to get charcoal. Charcoal is another thing that can do the work. You'll be able to you'll be able to throw charcoal inside the chicken coop, or you can even grind charcoal into powder and then you sprinkle it in the chicken coop. But I believe ash is not something that is too difficult to get. So, mistake number 4 is ignoring mosquitoes and insects. Wow. Mosquitoes and flies brings fowl pox during this season. That's during the rainy season. If you don't act early, it spreads fast. So as simple as mosquito, you may think as if mosquito is not something that will harm a chicken. So we should try by all means to get rid of mosquitoes from our farms, mosquitoes and even flies. We should not ignore mosquitoes and insects in our poultry farms. So now, how can we get rid of mosquitoes? All you need to do as a farmer to get rid of mosquitoes and flies and insects is to use mosquito nets and then garlic water in their feed or natural repellents like neem leaves. And even like this neem leaves is something that you can get, it's everywhere. It's not something that you need to go to the market and buy. As simple as it is, you will use it as mosquito repellent. And mistake number 5 is not changing their feed. Feeding wet, moldy, or spoiled feed can cause diarrhea and death in rainy season in your poultry farm. Feed spoils quickly if not stored properly. And if you are a farmer, this is what you should know. If you didn't store your feed well, this is something that quickly gets spoiled during the rainy season. So now, how can you fix this? All you need to do is to keep feed in a dry place and then add garlic, ginger, or little salt water as a natural remedy to fight off infections. So I believe if you will be able to take these five steps, if you'll be able to follow them, I'm sure mortalities in your poultry farm during the rainy season will be the thing of the past. And then you will be rest assured of counting profit daily. In fact, this is what I call daily income. So, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share so that it will get to other farmers and intending farmers. And I have so many videos on my channel. If you are looking at starting poultry farm and you don't have any basic knowledge at all, I made so many videos on how to start poultry farming from scratch. If you are looking at how to treat your chicken organically, I've made so many videos. How you can use papaya leaves, how you can use mango leaves, how you can use guava leaves, so many videos on my channel, and I believe it will be of a help to you to get started.